We're in Nottingham, we're landlocked, so we should be using things like beef and animals that are from our livestock around this region. So we're going to use the beef, we want to celebrate it, so we're going to do a beef tartare. It's got different textures in there. You've got crispy beef, a 200-day-old beef, which has been dry aged, and also some wagyu that's been roasted. So there's 3 types of beef in here. There's also some beetroot that's been candied. I've got some of the dripping that you've actually caramelised, so you've got that roasted beef flavour, and that kind of brings it all together. So this dish really typifies our style of cuisine. It's got so much depth in it in terms of layering, but again, it's quite hidden in terms of you don't know what to expect, because when you see it, when I've shown you what it looks like, it's not going to look like anything like a tartare. But I do like the idea. This dish was inspired by an artist called Anish Kapoor. I don't know if you've heard of him. And he's got a sky mirror in Nottingham. So it's at the Playhouse. So I started reading up on him, and I found this. So this is one of his untitled works in his book. So I thought, you know what, we can actually do a dish that's inspired by his work. So this is smoked oak mayonnaise. The oak is from Sherwood Forest. So again, if I look at dressing this dish, I'm almost looking at it as 5 mouthfuls. So by having 5 mouthfuls, I almost separate it into 5. This is a 20-year-old balsamic. So again, you're adding acidity, sweetness. The mayonnaise adds smokiness, also a bit of fat. We've got a truffle puree. These are from the Perigord truffles that were in season a few weeks ago. And again, you're trying to layer it so every mouthful you get has a bit of everything. This is actually beetroot ketchup. Beef and beetroot, classic combination. And then we're gonna have some potato. This is again the texture. So you've got here beef tendon, which is deep fried. And then we've got some potato crisp. So again, this is adding a layer of texture to the dish. Want something really fresh and almost herbaceous, a little bit spicy. Again, nasturtiums to me act like almost like horseradish. They've got a pepperness there. And then to finish, we've made a little jelly from beetroot juice. So it keeps the whole dish together. So when you eat it, you almost cut it as if it's a pie. And then we finish it with a little beetroot powder to resemble Anish Kapoor's work.